Alright, welcome back. Today something a little different. We got a Hercules 2 horsepower. Needs a gas tank. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a gas tank in it, see if we can get it running. Have not cleaned it up yet, but it does seem to be original paint with some pinstriping under it. So once I get it off this cart, we'll go ahead and start cleaning it up at the same time. See what we can find underneath. Alright, we've got it up off the cart. We'll go ahead and try and get the tank dropped out the bottom of it real quick. We'll be back. Alright, it is out. It is an absolute mess. I don't know that I've ever seen one quite so destroyed and beat up before in my life, but alright, so we have the old tank out. We have the new tank getting ready to be prepped, and I have wiped it down and cleaned it a little bit. Found some pinstriping. You know, I'm gonna hit it 1 or 2 more times, get the tank back in it, and we'll see how it looks. All right, as you can see, we have the tank back together. We have it back on the original cart, and we are going to see if that has helped matters any as far as fuel. Alright, well, we have our fuel problem taken care of, so next thing I'm going to do is figure out what's going on here and see if we can get the speed adjusted. But I would say obviously gas tank problem solved. Alright, as you can tell, I took it apart, put a new spring in it, a weaker spring. Got it slowed down good enough for now. Big difference.